What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you are new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4, how to fix error CE-33567-4. If I can't initialize a PlayStation 4, so I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. You simply just go to the settings. Here we are at the settings, and then you just simply scroll down. In the bottom, in the last, you have initialize. Here we are, initialize, restore default setting, initialize PS4 quick. If you initialize quick, then delete the data from system storage and initialize the PS4. This method might be retrieve the data. If you do a full, you can't retrieve your data on your PlayStation 4. So simply you just connect your external hard drive and copy your data, and then you just go to initialize your PS4. Simply, that's how you can initialize your PS4. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.